Taksh, all the gifts for your teachers and you drove, you colored. You remember? We're gonna give it to Miss Kelsey, Miss Aubrey, Miss Megan, Miss Bridget, and Miss Stephanie. Okay? And what do you say? Happy Thanksgiving! Say happy you want cheese ball? You just tell them happy Thanksgiving, miss. Okay, so अगर हमारा टी टाइम चल ही रहा है, so I thought why not show you what I got for Thanksgiving for Taksh's teachers. Okay, so look at this. Okay. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. ओके मैं यही चीजें करती हूँ, मेरे घर पे ना सब मैसअप हो जाता है सब कुछ. So I'm gonna show you one by one what I got. So once you open it, it has this beautiful bag and lot of stuff. So let me open one to show you guys. Baby, baby, baby. Okay. So, oopsie. Okay, aesthetically, I don't know about the background, but थोड़ा सोचना चाहिए ये सब चीजें भी. I need to do all that, but it will be done soon. Chai is so good. Thank you, Gunjan, for the lemongrass because chai is another level now. Okay, so I can actually just give it like this. मैं teachers को direct ऐसे भी दे सकती हूँ. But इसके अंदर एक कांच की भी चीज़ है. I want to make sure वो टूटी नहीं हो transportation में, and I don't want to give it something that's just gonna look like they open it and they're like it's broken. So I want to make sure I inspect everything before I give. So this is a bag in this package. So, okay, so it looks like this. ऐसे दिखता है ये. It has a beautiful bag which teachers can carry. Teachers के लिए तो जैसे for example if you are a teacher and you have a bag which you love, but sometimes you have to carry crafts and whatever you want to carry, so you can still use this bag someday for sure. And it says teacher, compassion, advocacy, problem solver, passion, commitment, integrity, empathy, empowerment, great listener, and support. Nice. And तो अभी मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, इसको ऐसे रखूंगी. Move, 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 move. Okay. And what else this has? So इसमें है एक छोटा सा पाउच, है ना? इसे teach them, love them, watch them grow. And Taksh के टीचर्स इतने स्वीट है यार, they take care of him so much. मुझे तो यही लगता है कि जब वो धूप में भी ले जाते हैं, so they are like putting sunscreen on. I mean, you don't have to worry about all these things. मैं उसको पिक करती हूँ ना तो उसको सनस्क्रीन लगा होता है. I feel good that they are taking care of him. Okay, so this is a pouch. I make a bag or crayons or whatever they want, and then It has a beautiful candle and it says the message like this. Oh, so cute. I'm not gonna open it, but I saw it in the review. Can I open it? But it's gonna look like it's open. That's why I don't want to open it. With pure essential oil, which is good. And the message is amazing. So yeah. So I'm gonna put it there. So ये एक थोड़ा है. Of course, it's amazing. But इसको pack करते time when you give, it's a little risky कि फूट ना जाए, टूट ना जाए kind of, right? So I'm just gonna keep this in this bag and I'm gonna keep this bag inside this bag. Okay, wait, somebody's calling me. Okay, so this is beautiful. Look at this. Whoa, this is full glass. And it also has a straw in it. Woo! And it also has a cleaning brush in it. है ना? So it says teacher. It takes a big heart to shape little minds. Ah, there's an apple. There's a pencil. I like the design. It's so cute. If I'm a teacher, I would love to have one. Yeah. But when you give it, it's a little risky to like give. So I want to make sure it's packed well. But पीछे इतना अच्छे से लिखा है nutrition facts, one awesome teacher, one full classroom. Okay, you can see it. I'm gonna just show you like this. By the way, video shoot करना इतना भी easy नहीं है. Aww, so good. और वीडियो एडिट करना तो उससे भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल. So how I'm gonna pack it is this. इसको मैं ऐसे ही रखूँगी. इसके अंदर मैं of course I'll put this because you don't want to break it and give it, right? So I'm just gonna put this one in it and this one in it and ये मैं इसी बैग में डाल दूंगी so that it doesn't break, है ना? तो इसको ऐसे बंद कर दूंगी मैं. And I'm gonna put this whole box inside this bag. Actually, first I'm gonna put this. And then this. Someone's at the front door now. Someone has the door. Okay, and इसके साथ मुझे ये भी मिला है. I'll show you guys. Somebody's at the door. And then it has beautiful cute bracelets that says teacher and apple. So that's how the bag gonna look like. Gonna have this. Then it has a sippy cup. Then it has this pouch. Then it has this candle. And then it has this. And then we're just gonna close it. And then we're just gonna give it to Miss Kelsey, Miss Brittany, Miss Stephanie. They're gonna love it. Well, talking about that, ऐसे मैंने कितने लिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I think I purchased 7. So I'm gonna make everything ready like this, and then I'm gonna have a nice card which I'm gonna write a nice message from Taksh and some drawing from Taksh. So they are special. And then that reminds me, like kitne sundar hai na? Like if imagine giving it to them. That's for you. Happy Thanksgiving, Miss Kelsey. And Taksh will give, of course, not me. I'll just be with him. Okay, so let's keep making more. At least 4 of them. Okay. And now we already know what to do. Oh, this has something else. Oh, so these things are open. Okay. Okay, so if you want to see the belts, I mean the bands, it's like this. Ooh. This time it says, may you be proud of the work that you do, the person you are, and the difference you make. And it has a packet in it. And अगर किसी को लग रहा है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा है gifts है, so you know actually you can separate these also. Like instead of giving it to one, you can actually give multiple things, like one to this kind of things. But I'm just gonna give it because I bought it for them and I really want to give, because these teachers, as I told you, they are amazing. Oh, okay, so now this candle is open. I want to show you what this candle says. It says, teacher's last nerve. Oh, looks like on fire. Okay, let's check. So it says, teacher's last nerve. Oh, look, it's on fire. So that's cute and funny. So now I don't need to open this because now we know how we're gonna pack it. I'm just gonna check if the quality is good, nothing's broken, and that's all. I'm just gonna put it back. I hope everything is intact so that I don't have to worry about returns and stuff. You know, buying from Amazon is perfect, but I don't like to return. But sometimes the things are just broken and you just have to keep returning it, and that's just the toughest part for me. I don't like to go or return. I just send Mohit to do all this stuff, but still, I just don't want him to do all that as well. Okay, quick. Come on, let's go. These are good quality though, like I was not expecting it, because sometimes they show so good and they are not usually that great. But somehow quality is good, nothing is broken. That makes me happy. Done. So we have done 4 so far, and I'll just make one for Miss Kelsey, one for this, one for the receptionist, one for the director, and one more. We need one more. Let me check. Okay, वो 2 हो गए. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 is enough because I don't want to make more of these because there's nobody to give. So I'll just take this. And you know, like the Taksh का admission लेना था, तब they were so helpful. They did not have admissions, but They moved the people around, they moved the kids around, and they gave the admission to my baby. So of course I'm so thankful, man. I'm so thankful that they have been so kind to us, and they have been taking care of my baby. And you know how the toddlers are, they're teaching him good things. So what else they can do? You know, I mean, it's their job, I get it, but still, not everybody does it with that level of care that they do. So, and you know, whenever I I'll drop him off. So for example, अगर मैं उसको छोड़ने जा रही हूँ, so जब Miss Kelsey होती है, he doesn't cry, and I can feel that he's like, he understands this is my safe place, this is my routine. So they're taking good care of him, and I'm just happy. See how it looks?